Hello, Year 4, and welcome to Lesson 5 of our new chapter on further multiplication and division. This is one of my favourite lessons. Usually when we're in the classroom I can give you a nice piece of paper that looks like a delicious box of chocolates, and here we're just going to have to look at it on the screen. Maybe you can remember back to Christmas time when you had lots of chocolates, or maybe even you've still got some sweeties and goodies around at home that you could use to help you. So we've got a box of chocolates and we have a question. How many chocolates are there in 6 similar boxes? What are the key pieces of information? Well, we're being asked how many chocolates. And we're being told that there are 6 similar boxes. So how many chocolates are in one box? It is a bit like an array. You might see it in lots of different ways. My brain saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chocolates in each row. And then my brain saw that there were 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of chocolates. So should I add those together? Should I add 5 to 4? Okay, there's no need to shout. You're right, we are going to multiply them together. There are 4 lots of 5 chocolates. There are 5, 10, 15, 20 chocolates in total in one box. Okay, so I could write that as 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20. I could write 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20. How else could I write it? That's right, I could write 5 add 5 add 5 add 5, or 4 add 4 add 4 add 4 add 4 equals 20. Okay, so now we know there are 20 chocolates in each box. Back to our original question. How many chocolates are there in 6 similar boxes? You can pause the video now. Make sure that you remember that this is the part of the maths learning where we talk to other people. If we're feeling really confident, then we can be experts in explaining our maths thinking. And if we're not feeling so confident, we can be really brave and share what we notice. Okay. Hopefully you had a good chat about that. Now let's have a look and see what our Maths No Problem characters had to say. Okay, so Amira says, and I'm going to have to move this because there's a mark on my screen that I can't see. We know that 6 times 2 equals 12. Okay. So here I've added on my own little fact family triangle. 6 times 2 equals 12. Okay, that's actually 12 tens. Okay, but we've used our previous knowledge. Okay, so we know that 6 times 20, because there are 20 chocolates in each box, would equal 120 chocolates altogether. I wonder if you found a different method. I wonder if you could use that method here. We're being asked what is the product of 9 and 30. Yes, do you remember that word product? It means the total of a multiplication. So here we have 9 times 30, or 9 multiplied by 30. Can we use Amira's help? In method 1, we've got repeat addition. 30 and 30 and 30. Oh, I'm getting bored already. Does this look like a good method to you? Is it efficient? Amira's method says that 9 times 3 is 27. We know that this 30 is 3 tens. So 9 times 3 tens equals 27 tens. 9 times 30 equals 270. Now, we haven't used this method before, so I would encourage you to use a fact family triangle and then multiply by 10. Okay, method 3. 9 multiplied by 30 is equal or the same as 9 times 3 times 10. Okay, so it's the same workings out as method 2, just written out slightly differently. We get to having 27 tens, which is the same as 270. Which one did you like best? Okay, Holly says that to work out 40 times 7, we just need to work out 7 add 7 add 7 add 7. That might take a long time if you're going to do it 40 times. Method 2 is to know that 40 times 7 is the same as or equal to 7 times 40. That's the same as or equal to 7 times 4 tens. Do you see what happens when instead of saying 40 we say 4 tenths? We know from our fact family triangle, from our prior knowledge, that 7 times 4 is 28. So 7 times 4 tens is 28 tens, which is the same as 280. Okay, I'm going to let you have a look at guided practice now. We are being asked to work out 3 times 40. So I want you to start with your known fact of 3 times 4. I want you to draw that out on a fact family triangle, please, and then multiply it by 10. Okay, well done. Now you're ready to have a look and move on at your worksheet. Pause the video now and come back for the answers. Okay, are we all done? Guided practice and your worksheet? Well done. Okay, here are the answers. Pause the video if you still need to mark those ones. I'm going to show you question 2. Well done, everybody. You've done really well today. I really look forward to seeing your learning. Make sure that you include this in the assignment and click on Turn In, and we'll get back to you with some feedback. Take care.